Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see a free NFT competition is going on in Binance, so we can see how you can claim free NFT in Binance, guys. Okay, so let's without any hesitate, just let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so guys, this is official Binance app. Okay, so this is a home page. So here in the home page, click on more option. Okay, there is a lot of option is there, so click on more option. Okay, click on more option and click on Binance Nft. Okay, click on Binance Nft. Okay, then after clicking Binance Nft, the page will get loaded. Okay, then here a lot of advertisement is going on. Here you have to click on exiting Easter Extravaganza. Okay, for Easter they are conducting big NFT sale, so for that we need to participate. Okay, exiting Easter. Okay, this one, click on that one, exiting Easter, that one. So the thing will get loaded. Okay, so the page will get loaded, guys. This is the page, guys. Okay, so the preparation is going on. Preparation is going to end on tomorrow, so probably before that you have to start preparation. Okay, guys. So guys, if you have 0.1 BNB, you can hold. Okay, if you have 0.1 BNB, okay, my holding is 0 in Binance, so it's showing like that. If you have 0 BNB, in this place, buy more BNB, there is a place, right? So here they will be asking to hold you. Okay, so if you have 0.1 BNB, you can lock and participate in this. If not, you have NFT. Okay, if not you have NFT, click that NFT pre-create. Okay, if you click that, this lock now button is there, right? So click on lock now button, so your NFT will be available here. Okay, if for me, I don't have any NFT, so I'm not participating. Okay, participating with the NFT. Okay, so I don't have. If you have NFT also, you can click on the NFT and you can click on lock. Okay, click on lock. So see, this is a Bitcoin mystery box into one. Okay, so if you have NFT also, you can participate, or if you have 0.1 BNB also, you can participate with both of them. Which one is comfortable for you, you can click and you can participate, guys. Okay, so tomorrow the subscription is going on. Okay, tomorrow subscription going to happen, and 15th the calculation is going to happen, and 15th again after the calculation, 15th the distribution will be happen. Okay, total NFTs issued is 60,000, guys. Okay, total NFT going to issue 60,000, and unit sale price is 1.9 BUSD, just 2 BUSD. Okay, unit sale price. Okay, purchase units per user is equal to 5 tickets. Okay, so how much you are holding BNB, based on that you will be getting rewards. Okay, you will be getting NFT, and same as how much NFT you are holding, based on that you will be getting rewards, based on that you will be getting NFTs. Okay, it's a very simple, guys. Whatever you are committing, whatever BNB you are committing, it will be refund you back. Okay, and whatever the NFT you are also committing, it will be refunded. Okay, so you don't have to spend any money here, just you have to commit. Okay, just you have to commit, so you can earn. Okay, just by committing itself you can earn. Okay, so nothing to worry. Just if you have BNB or NFT in your wallet, just commit here, just lock your NFT or BNB, guys. Okay, so you can earn, you can get X, and you can earn more NFT and earn more profit, guys. Okay, so don't miss it. This is going to end on tomorrow, guys. Just 20 hours left, so probably this is it's lost time, so don't miss it, guys. Just everyone just contribute and make profit, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys.